Yeah, that's the same one it's reading. Yeah, 310, room 310.
Eddie had to go to the bathroom before he left his room.
Oh?
Eddie.
Did everybody leave the room?
Yeah. Most of the room was this one, but I checked all the rooms.
Let's see if this is... We're good. I think I'm good. All my doors.
Tracy? No, you gotta wait for them to call back and tell you all clear.
How are you doing upstairs?
The elevator. This is so cool.
I'm gonna let my people go in because they're sitting out in the hall and that they're right by that fire alarm.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Well, if you go over to the lobby, you try around
Oh,
6 minutes.
I forgot how much work this was. So we're timing this, obviously, yeah?
Yes. Was they ever brought to the bottom? Yes. Were they were, yes. Were there problems with procedures? Yeah, okay. Cooperate. Were
All
the
doors.
residents reassured? Was it all clear? We weren't
Yep.
How many staff were in attendance?
How many staff rooms are in
Oh,
here?
yeah. How many staff in attendance?
Cannons?
Your
Okay.
name signed and your department name signed.
Okay.
We've got everybody clear for like a while now, but I think Margot's actually hit her pen.